Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. So today mission, change the oil on the Honda Pioneer. These machines, oil change is the most expensive oil I ever seen. Not even my diesel truck is that expensive. But you can have fun with them. That's my eBay store. You guys want to check me out? Got stuff there for sale. Honda Talon and my neighbor's Honda Pioneer. So I'm do a full service for him. So that's the mission for today.
No idea why there's multiple drain plugs, but what the fuck do I know? And of course, I bring every fucking socket, and the number 10 is not in here. But maybe I get lucky. I forgot, these shits are not 10. So used to working on goddamn cars. There we go. The 12. Alright. This thing here, what I can see. Ay, coño. Hopefully it'll drain all in the pan and not on the skip plate. I jacked up the side by side as level as I could put it, but all right, let's broke loose. First drain. Remember my neighbor sunk. Oh, when he sunk this under the water, we thought we got oil inside the water, inside the engine. I'm sorry, it's because of hydro lock. For some reason, the guy that was driving it got stuck, panicked, and they turned the engine off, and the water absorbed through the exhaust and went inside the pistons. So we were able to get it back started there at the park. So guys, if you ever flood your car or your side by side or any type of engine and it's running, you're stuck in the water, do not turn it off. That's the only thing that's keeping the water from going in. And from what I can see, it looked like we might have a little bit of water going in this oil. Yeah, ever since that day we went to the park and they sank it and got stuck, we haven't driven it. I was waiting for the oil to arrive. See, we're here in Florida, at least Southwest Florida. For some reason, you go to a Honda dealers, they don't have anything for these trucks. Everything has to be ordered. That make no freaking sense. You know what I just realized? That I didn't get. I haven't. I saw the oil, but I didn't see the washers. All right. I thought we didn't get the. I didn't see the rings for the plugs, but they are here with the filters. My fault. I didn't look. Because these washers are not reusable. Holy shit! I feel like I'm under a freaking stone of sand up in here. All right, let's match. Like a little. That one is trash. These are the two new ones. We put it here. Ay, coño. So So it was a good idea that I told him not to ride the vehicle until we change all the fluids. But something tell me we might have water inside the um pumpkins because it's set under water for almost an hour. All right, I know this is special, supposed to torque it, but I've been doing this so long I already got it by hand. But if you're not really mechanical inclined, follow the owner's manual and torque it to the right spec. All right, drain number two. Drain number two. Yeah, there's some type of water in here. Not a lot, but enough to mix with the oil. Oh shit. Oh man. I thought they would have made this skid plates out of aluminum, sheet metal, but they made out of plastic. I guess you're not supposed to go through nothing hard because I guarantee your rock will hit break that pretty quick. Bro, the amount of money they charge for these things, cheaping out there, huh? Because this one is already sagging. And they haven't really this. I don't think this thing has a lot of miles on it, if I'm not mistaken. But what do I know? All we could say, all we could do is complain. They don't make shit like they used to. All right, put this plug back in. So much fucking sand in my gloves. And I washed the shit out of this thing. You can never get old sand out. All right, big boy. Now we got to do the third one. Transmission side. My mistake on transmission side is. If it's a 17. Could be a 17. Let's see if we're right. Right on the money. We're right on the money. All right. Oh yeah, we got water in the transmission. If y'all can see that, that's a lot of water. Look at that. I hope y'all can see that. That is completely milkshake. We'll just clean it up, put new fluids in, and it should be fine. Well, since the transmission is full of water, I'm letting it drain. So I moved to the rear pumpkin. Um, and letting that drain. So far, there's no water there. You know, I would have thought I would just found water there. I would have never expected the transmission to have water. But so far, so good. And for the differentials, I recommend a little plastic pan like that. I did open the plug to check the level, just for it to air out and drain faster. A little bit of water, not too bad. I guess that's the mission. But oh no, side by side. You go. You want to play hard, you got to pay the price. At least on this case, it's just oil service. Because if he didn't, would have never checked it, he would have messed up the transmission. It's pretty cool. The exhaust has the muffler has a drain plug. All right, guys. So I finished the oil change on the Honda Pioneer. Flushed out the transmission, let it drain as much as I could. Then I got the air hose and just blew it out with through the drain, and most of it came out. So everything now, just put everything back together. New air filter, all new fluids. I already put it back together. So I'm gonna just take it for a test drive now. And this is the oil that I got, came out of the. As you can see, she's put back together. Now I'm just gonna take it for a spin, make sure everything's fine. Let that oil heat up.